everyone. I hope you're good. I hope you're doing well. So here at Juba, we are introducing to you a new book, and this book is gonna be focused on African fingerstyle. So if you have ever wanted to learn how to play African music, fingerstyle, the picking patterns, this is your day of luck, because this book is really rich. So we're gonna learn starting for beginners, and later on we're gonna incorporate the intermediate and those higher levels. Also, we're gonna put the PDFs. I think we're gonna make a plan for you to have the link so that you can download the PDFs and the Guitar Pro version as well. If you do have the Guitar Pro software, it's gonna be actually much more easier for you. Already for our first lesson, we're gonna learn something very simple and very nice. The focus of today is gonna be on Central African music, but it's just the theory and a little bit of practice, but the theory can be applied to any type of music. It's something I understand very well, the Central African music. So we're gonna start with a very simple exercise. By the way, this is our first lesson, and make sure you download the PDF or the Guitar Pro version to learn along the way, okay? So let's start. So already the key we're gonna use here is the key of C. So we're gonna have C, we're gonna have F, and then we're gonna have G. All right, I hope you can see. Let me do this. So we have C, okay, we have F, we have G. So in Central African music, we have few common progressions. Okay, we have the 1-4-5 4-1 and the 1-5-4-5-1. Also the third one is the 1-4-1-5, you know, and just like that it plays like in a cycle. So it's not a must, it's not a rule, but those are just pattern that you will find frequently, you know. So it's much more easier if you can understand the pattern that being played, and it's gonna help you to interpret much more easier and faster. Okay. Alright, so another thing as well is in African music, especially Central African music, you must really be strong with your arpeggios. And that's what we're gonna see all along this course, arpeggios and picking pattern. Alright, we start in the key of C. Very simple melodies. They might sound boring at some point, but it's a very good starting point, because you need to master first the basics. Then later on you can start complex melodies and complex chord progressions and all that. Okay, so as I said, we are in the key of C, and we're gonna use 3 chords: the C, the F, the G, and back again to the F and to the C. Please make sure you download the PDF. We'll try to make the link in the description. Download the PDF, the Guitar Pro version. We'll try as well to upload it on the website. So check the links there so that it can make your work much more easier, especially for the beginners. Yeah, so let's get started. So what we are trying to achieve for this lesson is we want to have a melody that will sound like this. They are very simple, straightforward. Alright? So when we are on the C, so let me first demonstrate the way it should sound live. So you start very slowly, and then later on when you feel comfortable, then you can start changing the tempo and try maybe to experiment as well, because it's very good to experiment. You mustn't stick with what I teach you. Every time you have something in your mind you want to try, feel free to try and incorporate in the music. And also, this doesn't mean you can only apply this type of techniques in Central African music. You can also apply it in anything. Okay? So let's continue. So when we are on the C, I hope you can see well. On the C, we start on the A string. Okay? a rule for this lesson is your thumb gonna play these 3 strings, okay? These are for the thumb. And every time we wanna play for the G string, we're gonna use this finger, okay? First one, second one on the B string, and then third one, the ring finger on the E string. Okay, either it's for picking pattern, for arpeggios. That's what we're gonna do in this lesson, okay? And actually it's most of the lessons that what we're gonna do. It's a very good starting point, okay? So now we have start on the A string, E string, B string, and then back to the D string. Okay. And then I go to F. Alright, F. Sorry. And then the G. So let me get back to the F. D string, E string, B string, G string. And then I go to the G, I wanted to say G string, sorry, the G. So we have the E string, the higher E string as well, B, G. Okay. So I'm up, down, and I'm going up now. Okay. Right. Then I go back again to the F with the same progression. D, E, B, G. Okay, so it's gonna be okay. So this is our first lesson. I really hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, please go check our YouTube channels, do subscribe, go to our website, check. There are so many information that you can enjoy and you can learn something from. So really feel free to give it a try. You know. See you later on with our other lessons. Bye.